Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. So in this video I am going to explain Runge-Kutta method for second order differential equation. So in my previous video I have explained solution of first order differential equation using Runge-Kutta method. Now we are going to see for second order differential equation. So what we do, your first step, we have to convert the given second order differential equation in system of first order differential equation. System of first order differential equation. So given second order differential equation, we convert in system of first order differential equation. Let us have system of first order differential equation dy by dx equal to f xyz and dz by dx equal to g xyz. So this is the your given system of first order differential equation. Then we will find out the k1. So k1 equal to h into f of, and we need the initial condition. So initial condition x0, y0 and z0. So these are the initial conditions. Then k1 equal to h into f of x0, y0, z0, and L1 equal to h into g of x0, y0, z0. Okay. Now k2 equal to h f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2 and z0 by L1 by 2. And your L2 will be same, only this f replaced by g. So g of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2, z0 by L1 by 2. Now k3 will calculate. K3 equal to h f of x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus k2 by 2, z0 by L2 by 2. And we'll have L4, L3. So L3 equal to h g of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2 and z0 by L2 by 2. So k3, L3. Now last we'll find out the k4. K4 equal to h f of x0 plus h, and we'll have y0 plus k3 comma z0 plus L3. So once you get this k1, k2, k3, k4, so we'll find out the capital K. So capital K equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So after getting this capital K, so we'll find the solution y1 equal to y0 plus k. So y0 is the solution at the initial point and y1 is the solution at the next point, x0 plus h. Now let us take one problem and we'll calculate this k1, L1, k2, L2, k3, L3 and k4, then capital K, and finally solution will given by this form, y0 equal to y1 equal to y0 plus k. So this is the given problem. Y double dash equal to x y dash square minus y square, and the initial condition at x equal to 0, y equal to 1, y dash equal to 0. So you have to find out the y at 0.2. So what we do for this problem, so first step we need to convert second order differential equation in system of first order differential equation. So for that what we do, we'll introduce one new variable z equal to dy by dx. Then dz by dx equal to d2y by dx square, and is equal to x y dash square minus y square. So y dash equal to z, so x z square minus y square. Then your system of differential equation will be dy by dx equal to z and dz by dx equal to x z square minus y square. And the initial condition x0 equal to 0 and y0 equal to 1 and y dash is z actually, so z0 equal to 0, and this is your f, this is your g. So this is the formulation for the Runge-Kutta method. Now we'll calculate the K1 and L1. So K1 will be h f x0 y0 z0. This equal to h equal to, and h equal to will take find 2 because we need to find the solution at 0.2. So h equal to 0.2 will take. So 0.2 and f into x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 1 and z0 equal to 0. So your f equal to z, so z equal to 0, so your k1 equal to 0. Find L1. L1 equal to h g of 0 1 0, or we can write h into g of x0 y0 z0. So this equal to h equal to 0.2 and g of x0 equal to g 0, y0 equal to 1 0. So this equal to, now g equal to xz square. So 0.2 into x equal to 0. So this part will be 0 minus y square equal to 1. So answer will be minus 0.2. So k1 equal to 0, L1 equal to minus 0.2. Fine. Now let us try to find the k2. So k2 will be h f x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k1 by 2 z0 plus L1 by 2. So h equal to 0.2 and f of x0 equal to 0 and h by 2. So h equal to 0.2. So 0.2, so 0.1. So 0 plus 0.1 means 0.1 and y0 equal to 1. So 1 plus k1 equal to 0. So we will get 1 here because k1 is 0 and z0 equal to 0 and 0 plus L1 by 2. So we get minus 0.1. Fine. Then so this k2 will be, now this here f will be z only. So 0.2 into z. So z equal to minus 0.1. So this will be minus 0.02. So k2 will be equal to minus 0.02. Now we will find out the L2. So L2 will be same, only your f replaced by g. So we will have the 0.2 g of 0.1 1 minus 0.1. Fine. Now this will be 0.2 and g equal to x. So x equal to 0.1. So 0.1 into z square. So z equal to minus 0.1 whole square minus y square 1. So we'll calculate. So if you calculate this L2, so we are getting minus 0.1998. So this is your L2. Now we'll calculate the K3 and L3. Now we'll find the K3. So your K3 equal to, the K3 formula is H F x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus k2 by 2 and z0 by L2 by 2. So if you simplify, so we get 0.2 and f of we get 0.1 comma we get 0.99 and minus 0.099. So if you calculate, so we get this one, and so this equal to 0.2 and f equal to z only, so 0.2 minus 0.099, so this equal to minus 0.01998. So this is your K3. Now L3 will find out. L3 is the same thing here, only f replaced by g. So 0.2 g of 0.1 0.99 minus 0.0999. Okay, so if you calculate, so we'll get L3 equal to minus 0.1958. 1958. This is L3. Now we'll calculate the K4. So immediately we'll have K4 here. So K4 equal to h into f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3 and z0 plus L3. So we'll have now, we find out the K4. So for K4 we have h equal to 0.2 and f, if you calculate x0 plus h, so this will get the 0.2 and y0 plus k3, so we have 0.9800 comma z0 plus L3, so we have minus 0.1958. So if you calculate, so we get the answer here. K4 will be 0 minus 0.03916. So this is your K4. Now after getting this K3, K1, K2, K3, K4, we'll calculate the capital. So your capital K equal to 1 by 6 K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. So this equal to, if you substitute this K1, K2, K3, K4 value and simplify, so we get the minus 0.0198. So this is your K. Now your solution y equal to 0.2 equal to y0 plus k. So y0 was 1, so 1 minus 0.0198. So your answer will be 0.980. So y at x equal to 0.2. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.